No problem.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. A very good morning to one and all present here. I, Dr. Chopra, on behalf of Special Interest Group Diabetes and Oral Care, our organizing committee, and the faculties and students of the Department of Periodontology, JSS Dental College and Hospital, welcome you all in today's e-paper presentation competition. Seeking the blessings of the Almighty and His Holiness, Sri Shivratri Deshikendra Mahaswamiji will virtually inaugurate our today's program by virtual lighting of the lamp and invocation song. Over to you, Dr. Sumukh.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shatrubuddhi vinashaya dipajyotirnamostute. Dipajyotirnamostute. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Thank you. Honorable dignitaries, teachers, participants, and everyone present here. It's my immense pleasure to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Anirban Chatterjee, sir. Sir is the professor and head Department of Periodontics and Implantology, Oxford Dental College and Hospital, Bangalore. Our guest of honors, our academic director, Dr. Kushalappa sir, and Dr. Ravindra sir, principal, JSS Dental College and Hospital. We are indeed privileged to have you all with us, sir. We started SIG on 29 September 2020 with the genesis of JSS AHER with the main aim and objective of basic and applied research on diabetes and oral health care. As a part of this, we have already conducted poster competitions for undergraduates, webinars on different topics related to diabetes and oral care. And today we are here with paper presentation for postgraduate from all over India. We have two clinics under JSS AHER. One diabetic special clinic is in JSS Medical College and the second one is in JSS Dental College. There is no end to education. It is not that you read a book, pass an examination, and finish off with your education. The whole life, from the moment you are born to the moment you die, is a process of learning. And the learning becomes more enjoyable when you have amazing teachers with you. And no doubt, we are lucky today. I request Dr. Anita ma'am to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Anirban Chatterjee, sir. Over to you, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Namaste. I welcome you, sir, Dr. Anirban Chatterjee. It is an onus and it is a feather in our cap that you are gracing the occasion, and you have accepted to actually be the chief guest for our SIG PG paper competition. To introduce him, he is MDS in Perio with a PhD and implantology fellowship. He has 25 plus of years of teaching experience. He is a PG guide since 15 years, publications of almost 75 international and national journals, more than 516 citations. He is on the editorial board of 6 journals, is a reviewer of 9 international and national journals. He is a life member of 6 societies and past honorary secretary to the CDE of IDA head office. Past treasurer for 48 IDA conferences held in Bangalore. That's a huge number, sir. Kudos to you. President-elect of Indian Society of Periodontology. Presently the president of Goma Periodontology branch of Bangalore. And in the past served as Vice President, Joint Secretary, Scientific Convener, and Assistant Director in Indian Society of Periodontology. Co-convener of 35th National ISP Conference held at Bangalore 2010. Organizing Secretary of 44th ISP National Conference held in Bangalore in 2019. He is the co-convener of the 35th National ISP Conference held at Bangalore. He has given over 102 lectures in national and international platforms. That is also a huge number. 22 webinars from April 2020 till date. Received an award, that is the Bharat Jyoti Award in 2011 in New Delhi. Received an award for the best professor in healthcare in Bengaluru, given by the research group in 2013. Received most proactive senior academician of year award in 2016 by Guide and Dental Academic Excellence Awards in Delhi. Received Global Outreach Healthcare Award 2020 for outstanding professor in the subject of periodontology. Received nomination from Goma as top 100 doctors in dentistry. Conducted webinars related to medical emergencies in dental practices, saliva and its importance in COVID-19, use of mouthwash and its importance during COVID-19. Conducted pre-conference courses in various national international platforms on PAO, that is PAOO, and blood concentrates. Area of interest has been aesthetics, PRF, PRFM, PAOO, that is periodontally accelerated osteogenic orthodontics and implantology. Successfully, he has a running career of his own clinic of 24-year plus in Bangalore and is working as a consultant in all major hospitals in Bangalore and Apollo Hospital, Wokar, that is Fortis, Manipal, Malya, Agadi, and even 14 dental units of Narayana Hridayalaya since 2004, and also various private dental clinics. His passion has been teaching and research and spread of knowledge. So this must be a brief CV, and the end of it, which says passion in teaching and research and spread of knowledge. I think your entire CV says that, sir. Namaste and welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Anita, for such a elaborate CV. I didn't expect it to be read all along fully. I am a small
person. It deserves to be read out to all the PGs because they need to go through that forum, right, sir?
No, that's fine enough. But in front of such big people like Dr. Ravindra, principal, who has been my teacher also, and Dr. Vandana Desai, then Dr. Kushalappa, who is also one of the senior member, and my friends, Dr. Nifia Pandit, the president person, Dr. Deepika, my senior in Davangere, my colleague Ashok. So it is a very humble thing what you have spoken about it. It's my gratitude towards you. And thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to be the chief guest for such a esteemed university of JSS, who is doing a wonderful, wonderful work. And it's a very big initiative by Dr. Anita and group and Dr. Ravindra Perio, especially for taking up this global issue of diabetes and making it into a forum. This has been going on for quite a number of times, and now India being the global leader in diabetes and periodontitis being the sixth complication of diabetes, and it has been seen that diabetes is also included with periodontitis with COVID. So only my only thing, only small thing, what I would like to tell all the participants of this PG, of this diabetic thing is, kindly make sure that any patient who has come to your clinic or any hospitals, make sure they undergo basic scaling and root planing. That's what initially, just make sure that scaling and root planing is done, which reduces the chances of being a diabetic by 50%. Even studies have shown, even COVID in recent times have shown that any better oral hygiene will be maintained, can be maintained, and COVID situation at this pandemic situation, it's can be if better oral health is done. And with the global trend going around with diabetes, I also want to, as I take over as president, my doctor work from Dr. Nimfia Pandit, who has been there and has done wonderful work during our tenure for the ISP. We have also come up with a joint management, which I think the PGs should go and read for the betterment for the clinicians, for the management of diabetes with RSSDI and ISP, especially of the what should be done in the maintenance in a clinic or management of diabetic patients and non-diabetic patients, how to check. And one more thing, what we have recommended is any clinic or any clinician should have a glucometer with them, which has been recommended. I think Dr. Nimfia will agree with me that any glucometer, just to check whether the patient is diabetic or not diabetic, because that will give you a better perspective of the treatment aspect in future. So that a lot of patients, almost as per the study goes, 50%, 43.9% of the people are unaware that they are diabetic or might be pre-diabetic. So if in case you have a glucometer in your clinic, just a prick and taking blood and just checking it out can make sure that a pre-diabetic patient or a diabetic patient, which is the patient is not aware, for the better health and oral health also. So I thank all of you for giving me the opportunity to be the chief guest, and it is my privilege to be in front of such esteemed people. My respect to Dr. Ravindra, sir, for giving me a chief guest, because he is such a humble and down-to-earth man, a man with attitude of gratitude. I also believe in the humbleness. The more the humble you are, you have the attitude of gratitude. We can work together and we can go forward in life anytime. So thank you again. And it was a really privilege to be in this platform. And if you see, I'm wearing the JSS tie today as a speaker when Dr. Sheila was HOD. So I made it a point that I should wear the tie which has been given to me by the esteemed academic university. So thank you very much for this honor. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I think we should live by, I think the PGs and all of us should live by an example that is put across by you, Dr. Anirban Chatterjee, sir. I agree with you, sir. Ravindra, sir, has played an important role to all of us as UG or PG students. Thank you to both of you, sir. And I think we'll move to the next part.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to introduce our guest of honor.
Shipra, you're muted. Can you please unmute?
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to introduce our guest of honor, Dr. Kushalappa sir, the academic director of our college. Sir has completed his MBBS, MD, DVD in dermatology from JJM Medical College, Davangere, and PG Diploma in Hospital Administration. Presently, he is working as director, JSS University, Mysore, and professor of dermatology, JSS Medical College, Mysore. Sir has an experience of 24 years in teaching and 7 years in administration. He has many national and international publications on his credit. Having a support system in life is having a safety net below you at all times. And no doubt, sir is our all-time support system. I now request Dr. Kushalappa sir to say a few words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Shipra, for those nice words. Seeking the blessings of His Holiness Swamiji, I bring greetings from the JSS Academy of Higher Education and Research for the success of this e-poster competition. And I am so happy that this special interest group is doing real good work in the interdisciplinary section, especially they've taken up diabetes and oral health. And what better way to have an interdisciplinary group over here with the physicians, the microbiologists, and the periodontologists, where you the President-elect Dr. Anirban has already mentioned how important the periodontal health is for the control of diabetes. And we have seen living examples of these when there one visit to the dentist and the scaling, the control of diabetes is much easier. People neglect certain things like this. And a warm welcome from the university, from my pro-chancellor, my vice-chancellor, my registrar, and all the other senior officers over here, to the chief guest, Dr. Anirban Chatterjee, President-elect of the Indian Society of Periodontology, and the resource faculty who have all been so kind to come and address you all today. Dr. Nymphia, Dr. Vandana Desai, Dr. Roshni Thakur, Dr. Sangeeta, Dr. Amita Ramesh, Dr. Rajesh, and Dr. Ashok. I'm sorry if I missed anybody out. Welcome to JSS. Although it is online, we hope 2022 will see all of us getting together for a nice physical webinar so that we can have a lot of interaction. And I'm especially thankful for to Dr. Ravindra. Dr. Anirban just said about the humbleness of Dr. Ravindra. I'll add one more thing. He's a silent person, but he's a very strong person. So silent and strong is an ideal combination to take the dental college and hospital forward. And I'd especially like to thank Dr. Anita for all the good work she's been doing and for having invited me. And also to Dr. Deepika and Dr. Sunit Shetty. And I, for one, will always be happy. And also Curaprox. Curaprox has been regularly supporting all our endeavors here. And special thanks to you. And I think the head will be addressing you shortly. So a special thanks to all of you. And what this Kaleidoscope Killing the Killer Diabetes and an e-poster competition will do for the students was to allow them to give their innovative ideas on how to control diabetes. It's a very, very silent killer. It is a killer, but it's a very silent killer. And all the problem is just on control of the sugar and preventing the vasculitis. That's the main objective of controlling diabetes. And for the dental surgeons to take so much interest in controlling diabetes is something which I am really, really happy about. And this bodes well tomorrow for an interdisciplinary approach for every disease. So congratulations to the SIG group, and I thank you again for inviting me, and God bless you all for a wonderful.
Thank you, sir. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. And one such leader we have with us is our principal, sir. He completed his BDS in 1986 and MDS in 1989 from Bapuji Dental College and Hospital, Davangere. He has 13 years of administrative experience and 31 years of teaching experience with more than 62 national and international publications on his name. I now request our beloved principal, sir, our mentor, as well as the organizing chairperson of this e-paper presentation, Dr. S. Ravindra, sir, to enlighten us. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Shikra. Good morning to everyone seeking the blessings of His Holiness Swamiji, Sri Shivaratri Deshikendra Mahaswamiji, respected Director, Academics, Dr. Kushala Prasad, Dr. Nikpa Pandit, President, ISP, dear Dr. Anirban Chatterjee, SIG Group Leader, Dr. Anita, Dr. Kishore, Curaden, resource persons, invitees, faculties, and dear students. It is my pleasure to share this platform with my good friends, Dr. Chatterjee. I also thank him for accepting to be the chief guest of the day. We, JSS Dental College and Hospital, tries to provide the best comprehensive treatment for a needy patients. As a result, we have started the SIG group in diabetes and oral health. This group comprises diabetologists, physicians, nutritionists, endodontists, and psychiatrists. The vision of this group is not only in rendering a comprehensive therapy, it also focused on collaborations and research, which are aligned with the national education policy. I am sure this post-competition will ignite young minds to develop more innovative research ideas. As we all know that diabetes and oral health has a two-way relationship, and also this condition is recognized as the sixth complication. Hence, we have a lot of challenges in providing the best treatment as well as educating all the patients who walks into the office, dental clinic. Oral examination should become an integral part of a general examination for early detection and prevention in future. It is heartening to know that the response is overwhelming for this poster competition. I take this opportunity to thank all the mentors and head of the departments of various dental colleges for your encouragement. I extend a warm thanks to the Curaden for their support and encouragement. I wish all the participants all the very best. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Appreciation is the only asset that never depreciates. Let me inform you all that an undergraduate poster competition and webinars have already been conducted by our special interest group, Diabetes and Oral Care. And from today, we will be starting our e-paper presentation competition for postgraduates, which will be conducted today and tomorrow, starting from 10 o'clock. E-paper competition winners will be getting exciting prizes, which are being sponsored by Curaprox. I request Dr. Kishore sir, Head of Education at Curaden India, to throw some light on Curaprox.
Dr. Shipra, he is joining in 2 minutes.
Can we have this video running? Or?
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Greetings from Curaden India Private Limited. We are glad to be associated with JSS Academy of Higher Education and Research for this unique e-poster and e-paper competition. We were also part of associating with the undergraduate part of this event. Now, I'm very glad that we are able to support even the postgraduate event. Curaden are the pioneering experts in oral health and individual dental prophylaxis since 1972. That's nearly 50 years now. And we have presence in over 76 countries. We have various oral care products under the brand name of Curaprox. And it is not just the products that we have also an academic wing, which I am heading. Together with dental professionals in teaching, research, and practice, we have developed tools that serve one purpose: to keep the teeth healthy for a lifetime. We ally with dentists, dental fraternity, university specialists to produce a wealth of knowledge. Next slide. Yes. We have a unique program called Individually Trained Oral Prophylaxis, where we have already trained over 20,000 participants, that is dentists, in over 60 countries. We have global collaboration with various universities. In India, we have collaboration with 6 universities, starting from JSS Academy, Manipal Academy of Higher Education, AB Shetty, Enapoya, Siddhartha University, and COTS Mangalore. We also have global collaborations right from North America till Australia. This is the few glimpses of the individually trained oral prophylaxis that we have conducted in India since 2017. I'm glad to say that over 1,800 dentists have been benefited from this certificate program. We have unique learning collaborations where we have curadancampus.com, curadanacademy.com, and also we have an app called the Bleeding on Brushing app or the BOB app to maintain the periodontal health. Of course, Curadan Campus and Curadan Academy have live as well as online on-demand webinars, which are totally free of cost. So I urge all the postgraduates to make use of it and register for free. We have many patents in oral care products, in interdental access probes, the click system, and the Curall wires used in the products. We have various oral care products ranging from toothbrushes, interdental brushes, probes, toothbrushes, dental care products. For more information, you can always contact at info@curadan.in or even follow us on social media. You'll be getting various insights in the product. Thank you once again, JSS, for collaborating with Curadan, and we are proud to be associated with such a unique program of the special interest group. And thank you, Dr. Anita, for collaborating with us.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Joseph.
Knowledge is the power to share. Knowledge is the power, which is share. Knowledge shared is power multiplied. So let's share our knowledge with the help of this platform, because it's not always winning or losing. It's all about learning. As we all know that we have paper presentation competition today. So we have amazing list of judges like Dr. Anirban sir, Dr. Nymphia ma'am, Dr. Rajesh sir, Dr. Ashok sir, Dr. Amita Ramesh ma'am, Dr. Desai Vandana ma'am, Dr. Sangeeta ma'am, Dr. Roshni ma'am, Dr. Anita ma'am, and Dr. Suneet sir. We welcome you all. I request Dr. Suneet Shetty sir from the Department of Conservative and Endodontics to give vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Shipra. Good morning, everybody. Seeking the blessings of His Holiness Jagat Guru Sri Shivratri Deshikendra Mahaswamiji, and on behalf of the SIG Group Diabetes and Oral Healthcare, I would like to take this opportunity to propose the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude and deepest thanks to today's chief guest, President-elect, Dr. Anirban Chatterjee. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation and being here with us today. I'd also like to thank today's guest of honor, Dr. Kushalappa, Director Academics, JSS AHER, for his continuous guidance and support. Our thanks to our beloved Principal, Dr. Ravindra, for guiding in all these endeavors. I would also like to thank all the distinguished judges that are taking part in this event, namely Dr. Nymphia Pandit, President, Indian Society of Periodontology, Dr. Vandana Desai, Dr. Roshni Thakur, Dr. Sangeeta Muglikar, Dr. Amita Ramesh, Dr. Arvind KP, and Dr. Rajesh KS. Last but not least, I would like to thank our sponsors, Dr. Kishore from CuraProx. They have been amazing right from the start. They have sponsored our undergraduate competition, and we hope to see you again in the future too. And most importantly, thanks to all the participants. We've got more than 90 participants from all over the country. Thank you for all registering and taking part. And last but not least, the most important thanks to Dr. Sumukh, Dr. Shipra, and Ramya. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.
With that gratitude being expressed, thank you, sir. Thanks to the dignitaries and delegates for joining with us in this virtual inaugural program. We will start with our paper presentation shortly after National Anthem. Hence, I request you all to kindly stay back. Over to you, Dr. Sumukh, for National Anthem.
Before that, I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे